obtain the de Broglie wavelength of a neutron of kinetic energy. So K is equal to 150 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So that is 150 into 1.6, that is 240. 240 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. As you have seen in exercise, an electron beam of this energy is suitable for crystal diffraction experiments. Would a neutron beam of the same energy be equally suitable? So here first of all we have to find that K is equal to half mv square, right? So P square is equal to under root 2 km, we can write, right? So it is not P square, it is only P, because when we write P there is under root, so only P is equal to under root 2 km. Now lambda is equal to h upon P, so is equal to h upon 2 under root 2 km. Now we have to find this lambda, so 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34 upon under root 2 into 240, that is 480 into 10 raised to minus 19 into m. M here, that is here any particle, electron is given. So would neutron beam of same energy be equally suitable? So here neutron mass, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 27. So neutron will be there, so 480 into 1.6, so that is 768, right? So under root of 768, that is 27.71. so lambda is equal to 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34 upon 27.71 into 10 raised to minus 19 minus 27, half of that will be minus 23. So 6.63 upon 27.71, that is a 0.24 into 10 raised to minus 34 plus 23, so minus 11 meter, that is wavelength, first wavelength. Now see, for according to temperature that we have to find, right? So see, we know that lambda dash is equal to 1.447 into 10 raised to minus, and that is 10 meter. That is our lambda dash. So here these values are like, this is 0.24 and this is 1.44, so these are not comparable. So neutron beam of same energy, here neutron beam of same energy is not equal, because both has different lambda and lambda dash, right? Now second question, obtain de Broglie wavelength associated with thermal neutrons at room temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Hence explain why a fast neutron beam needs to be thermalized with the environment before it can be used for neutron diffraction experiment. So first of all, T 27 in Kelvin, so 300 Kelvin. Now we know that half mv square is equal to 3 by 2 kBt. 2 gets cancelled out, so I can easily write P square is equal to 3 kBt m. So P is equal to under root 3 kBt m. So lambda is equal to h upon P, so P is under root 3 kBt into m, right? So now lambda that we have to find, put all the values, 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34 upon under root 3 into 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 23 into T, that is 300 into m. Now again neutrons are there, so into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 27. So lambda is equal to, see, 3 into 1.3 into 300 into 1.6, so that is 1872, right? 1872 under root of that, that is 43.26. So 6.63 upon that answer, that is 0.1532 into 10 raised to, now 23 and 27, 50 minus 50, so minus 34 plus 25, so that is minus 9 meter. So that is our new lambda. So here that is lambda. So fast neutron beam needs to be thermalized with the environment before it can be used for neutron diffraction experiment, because of value of this lambda, right?